Welcome to Tasty Malayali. Let's cook a delicious juicy whole chicken cooker roast packed with bold spices and rich, thick gravy. The chicken becomes incredibly soft, tender, and coated in a silky roasted masala that melts into every bite. This flavorful cooker roast is smoky, spicy, and absolutely irresistible, perfect for a satisfying homemade feast with family. Take 1.5 kilogram whole chicken and make cuts all over so the spicy masala seeps beautifully into every juicy layer, making the chicken tender, flavorful, and irresistibly delicious. Let's prepare the flavorful masala. Take a mixer jar. Add a handful of fresh coriander leaves. Add some aromatic curry leaves. 60 grams of garlic for that bold roasted flavor. 60 grams of ginger to bring warmth and depth. Drop in 1 medium-sized big onion chopped. 1 medium-sized juicy tomato chopped. 4 dried red chilies for smoky heat. Grind everything into a smooth, rich paste. Transfer the freshly ground masala into a bowl. Add ½ teaspoon red chili powder for extra fiery color. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/4 teaspoon garam masala for that irresistible aroma. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 2 teaspoons thick curd for creamy richness. Squeeze half a lemon for a fresh tangy punch. Add 1 medium-sized chopped capsicum for sweet crunchy flavor. Mix everything thoroughly into a rich, thick, spicy masala bursting with bold aromatic flavors. Now thoroughly marinate the whole chicken, rubbing the rich spicy masala deeply into every cut and corner beautifully. Rest the chicken for 1 hour in the fridge so it becomes extra soft, juicy, and flavor-packed. In a cooker, add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Place 3 curry leaves at the bottom so the chicken doesn't stick to the cooker. Carefully place the marinated whole chicken inside. Close the cooker and cook for 2 whistles. Once done, let it rest for 1 hour, then slowly open the cooker to reveal that beautiful juicy chicken aroma. Now heat a pan and add the rich stock from the cooker. Once the stock starts boiling, add 1 teaspoon green chili sauce and 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Sauté it gently until the gravy becomes glossy and flavorful. Now carefully place the cooked whole chicken into the bubbling gravy. Toss the rich thick masala all over the chicken, coating every side beautifully with spicy roasted flavorful goodness. Cook until the masala becomes thick, rich, and clings perfectly to the chicken. Once the masala reduced, gently flip the chicken upside down so both sides absorb the rich roasted masala evenly. Cook again for 2 to 3 minutes so both sides get roasted in that luscious gravy. And there you have it, a sizzling juicy whole chicken cooker roast bursting with spicy flavors and coated in a rich, thick gravy, ready to serve hot. Generously pour the remaining luscious gravy on top. The chicken turns incredibly tender, juicy, and packed with smoky masala in every delicious bite. Enjoy this irresistible homemade feast with your family and savor the rich roasted flavors together. Authentic Kerala flavors on Tasty Malayali. Join us for more spicy, tasty recipes.